Jen and I were going to have some s'mores, but damn ants got into my marshmallows. I threw their asses in the fire. They're burning up as we speak. Check them out. Oh, you can't see them no more. They're already dead. All right, Jen and I are now sitting down by the campfire after a hard day of work on the property. Tomorrow's Father's Day. I haven't posted a video in a while, but I'm going to go ahead and put one up now. So, we're sitting here, and Jennifer is making me some s'mores. Now, what's different about these s'mores are they're not your typical one. Jennifer thought of a great idea to use fudge stripes by the Keebler Elves, and they are delicious. They're just better. Try it if you have never tried it before.
Less messy too.
And it's very, yeah, it's a lot less messier. Let me show you what we got here. Look at this. You got your chocolate, you get your crunch from the cookie, and it's delicious. Jennifer just dropped half of hers on the ground. Look at Aunt. Oh my God. Oh, so good. It's good. That is good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Take them back to the messy part.
Originals are definitely messier. Graham cracker.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good.
Because the graham cracker always breaks.
Stop what you're doing. Drive to the store and get these Keebler Elf Fudge Stripes Originals. 140 calories of deliciousness. Oh my God. I think I'm going to need at least one more, maybe two. It's the little things. It's the little things that make us fat. All right, that's your tip for today. Try them. They're delicious. Wanted to move my trailer up about 100 feet. This is the location where I want to build my cabin. The problem is I know my truck cannot tow the trailer. I spent about an hour trying to move it. My tires kept on slipping on the grass, and it's just too heavy. So after about an hour of trying, I had my father-in-law bring over his Silverado. The only problem with his Silverado is it's a V6. But my truck almost could pull the trailer. So when we chained our trucks together, his truck gave just enough to be able to pull the trailer to where I want it on the property. At this point, when we started pulling, it felt like I was smashing into his bumper, but I wasn't. It was just a jerking of the chain.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Jen gets excited here because we've been at it for hours now, and finally, we've got a lot of movement.
Keep going.
Hi-ho, Silver!
Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, that's it. Wait a minute.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.